You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow.
$250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube Kick or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. Who's with me? Who's here? Who's with me? Paul Yoon, Cubo Bill, Josh, Liam. Good morning, Punisher, Richard Harris. Good morning, Day Trader Red, KCH. Lemon Visuals, Ron, Robinho, Prime Cap, Nacional, J. Prowse, Keep Cute, SW, Brian, good morning. Uncle Mark, El Chuvasco, Ace Trace, Johnny Mac, Grumpy Knuckles, Ula Peppers, Bugs, good morning. What's cracking off, baby? We got a lot of news coming out today, a lot of opportunities today. We had a big announcement from Iran today, talking about using years in their talk. What's up, Big Hal? How are you? Give it up for the Michigan Wolverines basketball team. Let's go. Go Blue. Let's do a great trade today. I'm down. I'll allow it. Right now we're week underneath 200s here. Wonder if we can get any continuation of the downside. We are one tweet away from things getting crazy. So far, no response to the what was the statement? U.S. senior officials said that they're targeting bankers, radar station, ammo storage on Karg Island. They didn't intentionally target landing docks. Okay. What else? They're going to target infrastructure. Iran will target infrastructure, disrupt regional oil and gas supplies for years. That was their threat. So we are trying to potentially put in a deeper bottom here. See if we're still weak underneath these 200s potentially. We have news coming out today at 8:15, 8:30, 8:55, and 10. So 8:15, we're going to get the ADP weekly employment change, which I don't think is going to move the market all that much. Really, I think the only thing that's going to move the market today is a 3-year note auction at 1 p.m. So let's see if we have any kind of volume or continuation here. It looks pretty dry, to be honest. Curious to see if there's anything to trade here around 200. Right now, it's just, man. Trying to put in a deeper bottom here. Getting a little bit more volume coming in, but tough to trust this, to be honest. They're still rejecting underneath 200 here. There's a 212 bid down there at 175, which makes this a little bit tougher to trust. But I've seen crazier things happen. The Asia lows down there at 153. Day 4 of TPT evaluation put up another 39.50 on the day. Nice. Yeah, we're in day 2 of our TPTs. We have alpha funded and funded seat funded accounts right now. There you go. There's your Trump tweet. Or something. Holy shit. There it is. Knew that was coming. Just had a feeling. There we go. A whole civilization will die tonight, says Trump. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. Oh boy. Who knows? We'll find out tonight. There you go. There you go. Whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again. I don't want that happening, but it probably will. However, now that we have complete and total regime change where different, smarter, and less radicalized minds prevail, maybe something revolutionarily wonderful can happen. Who knows? That's what Trump says. So there's your response. Taking out those new Asia lows, putting in New York lows, London lows, whatever you want to call these. Let's see if we can try to nail anything on this. I'm going to try this short here underneath 170. See if we can get this to trade underneath 140 here at all. It's kind of holding right there at 140s. 6,600 is a line in the sand in the S&Ps. I want to see us make new lows here potentially. Still trying this weakness underneath 170. Let's see if we can hold weak underneath 170 here. That's the target for this trade. Right now, pushing up to 180s. Would really like this to hold weak underneath 180s. $66.10s are being challenged as well. Doesn't look like we're going to have that continuation. Unfortunate. Thought we would have had continuation to the downside on that. So stopping out there on our funded seed accounts, unfortunately. Damn, waited all morning for that too. Oh well, what are you going to do? Back to the 1 hour mid here. Rip spot we are trading here. Let's see, back to the 190s. See if we can try to target this underneath 200 here. Okay, we're back short here. Looking for that weakness to persist below 180s. Using the 1 hour mid as a backstop here. Want to see this cutting back through 165 here. Going a little bit sideways here. Still some buyers pushing this up towards 190. Would really like to see this weakness persist underneath 200 here. Holding just above 175. Would like to see this cutting below that 175 area. And then break of 165 to the downside here. So looking for continuation below 175 now. There's a bid at 66.12 that I'm watching. Watching here for the break of 170s now. Looking for that clean roll through 170 now. Should be able to get that. Nope. Just kidding. Okay, watching for the cut through 170 now. That was a nice rejection up high. Can we get that continuation right at 170? This is the line in the sand that we need to break and have that just smooth continuation. Let's see if we get that follow through now below 160. We cut through the 12s there on the S&Ps. So looking for that to fail now just below 160. Without any buyers here cutting in. Watching for that fade. Need a denial up here at 175. Back above 12s in the S&Ps. Looking for that denial right here at 175. Watching for a breakthrough 160 now. Looking for that. Rejection at 175 again. Watching for this fade back below those 160s here. Back in 170, same with the 12s. Should be able to get this rejection through 160 here. We are currently rejecting the 1 hour mid. Watching 165 now here. Just need one little forceful pull. They're restacking the algorithms, not liking that at all. Just trying to get that one little pull through 160 here for that nice move. Watching for the pull. It just refusing to give us exactly what we want. We just want that little tiny pull through 160 here. Just one little pull right there. Okay, we got a little bit of a, nah, whatever, I'm taking that off. Got a tiny pull there. This is so annoying that we keep getting this sideways bullshit. Super annoying. Very touchy, very, very touchy. Yeah, probably get it now. Right after we pull it, right? So fucking annoying. Yeah, probably get the 160 pull now. Pretty likely. Now that we're out. I just wanted to touch that fucking area about 9 billion fucking times before we get the actual roll. I bounce it fucking every fucking time. No consistency in this tape right now. It's very touch and go. God, how do they do it every fucking time in this session? So annoying. We're in 140s now. We had to fucking bail at 160s touching. So annoying. News came out. No way. Did news come out at 8:15? No way. Like maybe it was like ADP jobs data that didn't move the market at all? No way. Did it actually? No way. You're kidding me. No way. Had no idea. Believe. I don't know if that was an old tweet or not. Can't believe we're rejecting this hard off these lows. Cooked on DLL today from those sells. Kind of tired of this market. Yeah, well, that's annoying because the right idea, we're just early. So durable goods coming out in 13 minutes, 12 minutes here. Wow, they are still thunder chunking this thing. This is crazy how hungry they are for this shit. Fuck it, I'll follow them. Well, that did not work. My hotkeys not working. Sweet. I was trying to follow them through the burst of 200 here. Let's see if we hold this pull back towards 200. Fuck. Missed that trade. All right, pushing up towards these 200s now. They might be sweeping up towards 25. Bit of a rejection there at 27 halves in the S&Ps. Okay, we're trying this long up towards a break of 15 and into those 30s. We need a blow off top at 25 in the S&Ps as well. They're still holding 200s. So looking for this blow off above 15 now and want to add to that continuation above 15s. We should have that continuation through the 15s. Or everybody and their mom just found the sell button. Whoa. Okay. This is fucking gorgeous. Looking for that pop through 205 now. Continuation up to 215. Should have that. Should blow out 215 here on this pull. You fucking kidding me? How the fuck are you guys not pulling 215 here? Ah, fucking hell. Should be pulling 215 very fucking quickly here. 205, nobody wants 205 anymore. Fucking classic. Okay, everybody shut off the fucking volume now. This is fantastic. Should have one clean little pot. There you go. There you fucking go, you retards. And we didn't get filled. Sweet. God bless Trade of 8, dude. Jesus Christ. You gotta be fucking joking me. How the fuck are we not getting filled? Fuck you. I'm just pulling that. God, dude. Oh, God, dude. This morning is just so fucking aggravating. How do we... What did this fucking go to? Oh, 214 halves. Fuck you. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable, dude. Well, don't put your orders at 214 3/4. All right. Yeah, now you're gonna fucking just launch. I love how violent the fucking pull, like touch and go and pullback, and like Jesus Christ, this continuation is so violent. That pullback was fucking violent. 191, Jesus. I like how they went completely dead volume before that move. Like, look at, you can't see it there, but here, show you. Look, you can't see it, but this volume fucking declining to into nothing essentially before that pop. Like, what a fucking scam, huh? Actual fucking scam. Anyway. Oh well. I'm gonna take a little breather. This tape is very frustrating to deal with. Back to 0 volume, so I don't feel like I'm missing anything. Morning, boss. Can you clarify Alpha Advance 15 max payout after 5 days means 30K profit? For if over that, does it carry over? Yes. The drawdown continues to add, dude. It's fucking incredible. They're insane. It's like trading a cash account. It's exactly like trading a cash account. Wow, they did it again. It's fucking unreal. It's like giving me anxiety just watching it, dude. Fucking hell, dude. It's like insane, huh? Vance just said deadline is 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. Yeah, this is fucking too much. Too violent, dude. Too fucking violent, dude. Is Lucid down for anybody else? It's so annoying. I mean their checkout page. I'm trying to get some accounts here. Okay, that one worked. There we go. Fuck. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm just I'm getting some pro accounts, some fresh pro accounts for Lucid. Oh yeah, we have our Apex accounts to trade too. Forgot about that. I can take a max of 25 trades before they lock me out, right? All right, it's loading my new Lucid account. Volume is just so spotty right now. It's so hard to read this market. I mean, it was pretty funny when we we flip long after, you know, this shit. And this is the fucking area that we get. Not a nice trend, not this. That one. That's the area of price that we nailed. Pretty funny. Appreciate the stream. Warning when to call it quits. Today is one of those days I bow. 1.5K on 6 funded. Can't complain. Won't be greedy. See y'all tomorrow. Thanks again. Let's go straight, G. That's awesome, buddy. Smart. We're up $2,200 in each of our alpha funded accounts. I'm probably thinking I'm not going to touch those. I mean, it's a good day in those. You only have to make $200 a day. I'm just annoyed because I love it. Like, you give me volatility like this, I'm going to go fucking amped for it. And it's just like, you give me volatility and like we somehow have fucking found the exact moments of the worst points of volatility where it's just fucking around. This is annoying. And then, you know, we got clapped on funded seat on this fucking move right here. Even though it comes back down later, I just figured that this was the pitch and catch that we're going for right here. This one. Anyway, frustrating so far. Frustrating so far. But we're up. We up, baby. All right. Let's see. Lucid. All right. Lucid is loaded. Yeah, volume is so spotty right now. It's very hard to read this shit. I don't know why the market actually went up on that, but I gotta follow the momentum. But I don't feel like this pump is valid. I just think they're squeezing shorts early and then we're gonna drop like a rock. Hoping to get paid from funded seat today. Nice. What do you need to do? Waiting for 15 hours. What's your what's your email address? I'll find out exactly what's happening with your payout and everything. What are you waiting for? Is it your KYC? Is it you submitted a payout? Like, what are you waiting for exactly? That's what I'm here for. I want to help you out. Data coming out. Minus 1.4% versus minus 1.2%. Hello, Rips. I hope you're feeling a lot better. Is it possible to share your selling Rips key level settings? Yeah. Still, I'm just waiting. I want to help out. What's this guy's name? Yes O Trades. I'm trying to help out Yes O Trades here. All right, Yes O Trades have given you like, wait, I use code RIBS, big ups, thank you. But I'm trying to help you though. What's the delay in your payout? Is it your KYC? Is it you've requested a payout and they haven't paid it yet? Like, I'm trying to help you, brother. Okay, Alpha Futures now up with an update here. I don't know, Lamal, I request and they haven't paid yet. KYC is fine. Okay, can you send me your email address so I can literally find out exactly when you're going to get paid and all that? I'm trying to help you. I want you to have the best experience possible. Can you DM me your email address and I can directly connect with them right now and exactly tell you exactly what's going on? I hope everyone trades safe today. I really can't say enough. You guys need to be aware of watching crude pricing and NQ, how it reacts to crude futures moving if crude pumps and NQ dumps and vice versa. Yep, there's a correlation for sure. Feds Williams is speaking right now. Okay, send it to me on Instagram. Great. Okay, so Alpha Futures out with a big update today. They are increasing their position size limits across all accounts right now. So that was some feedback that you guys had for Alpha Futures. They are now increasing their position limit sizes. Do you know if Alpha will ship that trading setup, UPS or FedEx? They're shipping it out today. I don't know if it's FedEx. I can find out. Let me see. Which carrier are you shipping? Okay, I'll find out. Yes, send a DM. Okay, cool. Okay. Finding out right now. Okay, finding out right now. What about the trades per day for Alpha Futures? I don't know anything about that, man. No idea what you're talking about. They're checking into it right now for you, Lingle. One more day of $150 away from a 5K payout with Top Step. Let's go, Nico. Give it up for Nico. Let's fucking go, baby. So, starting from today, April 7th, they're increasing position size limits across GC, MGC, SI, and SIL. On the advanced account, 3 minis on 50Ks, 6 minis on 100Ks, 9 minis on 150Ks. On your standard accounts, 9 minis on 150Ks, 6 minis on 100Ks, 3 minis on 50Ks. On the zero accounts, you can trade up to 6 minis once you have $4,500 in profit on the zero accounts. So, good to know that. 15-minute 100-point move in NAS as well. Yeah, dude, it's fucking been crazy lately. All right, I'm gonna let the market settle a little bit. Looks like we're going sideways. I don't want to attack this right now. I'll let the market settle a little bit. I'll be right back with you folks. Don't go anywhere.
stop breathing. Don't stop breathing.
All right, we are back. Okay, yes, what was your name again? Yes, something. Okay, wait, what was your name again? Yeso Trades. So they said that because it's your first time payout, they have a review team on it. They said maybe 1 more hour max before you get paid. Because the first payout, your very first payout, generally takes longer than 5 hours. But after your first payout clears, they go through your KYC, make sure you're not a fraud and all that. Every payout beyond that is 5 hours. So there you go. Sounds like justice. All right, Yeso Trades, you get all that? That was for you, buddy. Gambling, sure. Feds Williams is yapping. Okay, there you go. Bart Vandalay, are you here? Been looking for you. What is your name on Instagram or Twitter, please? On IG, Bart Vandalay, okay. Oh, no, it's not. Can you send me a DM, please? I just realized your name is a Seinfeld joke, but with Bart instead of Art. That's why I didn't recognize it at first. It's Art Vandalay. Fucking hilarious. That's probably one of the best episodes. Go ahead and DM me right now so I can get this 50K growth account to you, please. There you are. All right, there you go. You're all set. You bet. You got it, buddy. Congratulations. Good gambles on those channel points, baby. Vandal Industry. Art Vandalay, what a guy. All right, we are coming Dane. We are 12 minutes from the top of the hour here. I'm just going to take this short in my Lucid accounts here. Looking for 66.15 to trade in the S&Ps, which would bring us down to about 180 here. Let's see if we can get close to 179 3/4 perhaps. Looking for that 185 to snap and then 66.15 to trade. Should be able to get this right on down to 179 and or 181 even. Just give me 181 on this. I'll be happy. Should be able to get this little snapper dinger because we're right there at 66.15. We'll touch that and it should roll right into 181. Right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now, right here, right now. Come on, just fucking Jesus. I'm at 181s and it hit fucking, wow. Come on, just give it to me. 181 evens. That's all we need is 181 evens right there. Oh, you're so close to doing it. You're so close to doing it. You're so close. Just do it right there. Go. Fucking do it, you pussies. Oh my God, just fucking right there you go. Thank you. Good Lord. Thank you. All right, so that was almost at 66.15. I front ran 180s there because fuck all. We know how 180's been working lately. So there we go. 181 fills. Biggity bang bang bang. Lucid is 40% off with code RIPS. There you go. Fix this right now. It doesn't fit all of it. It's so annoying. Dun, 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 dun. That should probably fit. There we go. Nice reversal on the Ripsy reversal. If you caught that, literally fucking bottom tick that motherfucker. Look at this. Literally bottom tick. So if you took the Ripsy reversal, you made cake paper. Papered up on that reversal, my goodness. And you should legit try to combine where all you do is put entries where your normal exits would be. Yeah, maybe. I mean, there's a lot more points in the Ripsy reversal rather than the fucking stupid ass trades I take. And Gia, you've been following me for 3 years? Holy shit. You're an OG. Get on over to Kick. Kick is way better. Somebody can gift you a house. It's fucking way better. Get kick.com/rips, Andrea. Kick.com/rips. Way fucking better, dude. Separate yourself from the YouTubers. Yeah, imagine if my TP was just a reversal. That'd be sick. Kind of insane, though. That's like actually insane. Like way more points on that trade than the fucking bullshit that I take. Forgot Lucid Pros are fucking single day pass, too. Dumbass rips. Top of the hour coming in just over 5 minutes, 5.5 minutes. I don't know why, but this morning is just stressing me out. We've only had one losing trade and fucking multiple winning trades, but for some reason I'm just like stressed out from this morning. Can't explain it. I just feel uneasy. You know what I mean? It's weird. I've only taken one losing trade all day. And it's like, for some reason, I just have this uneasiness. When I do copy trades on stream, the win-loss ratio is still fucked, so thank you. Let's go. Must be the coffee. I mean, this is regular ass coffee. Look at that. This is why. There you go. That's why. This shit, man. Ugh. 12 points straight down. Spooky. You should really be sized down in this market. Don't try to copy what I'm doing. Should really be sized the fuck down in this market. I don't think I'm going to touch my alpha accounts for the rest of the day. So I have Apex evals, TPT evals, and this Lucid, brand new, fresh Lucid Pro evals. So I think I'm just going to have to sit here and be happy with this alpha profit, which I don't like at all. I'm just being honest with you. Like, yeah, fucking $6,600 is great. Yay. But like, fuck you. Fuck you, market. Fuck you, market. God damn it. I look away for 1 second. God damn it. War is over, right? Let me guess. War is fucking over. Fuck you, market. God damn it. Fuck you. It's also like the prospect of like, I'm not trading my Percy and I kind of want to, but then I'm like, dude, no. Here's the deal. Would I be very happy if I made 100K today? Sure. Would I be super furious and equally as angry if I were happy if I lost 100K? No, I'd be way more fucking angry if I lost 100K. So that's the other thing. It's like, it's just fucking, my head's off today, man. Like if I lost 100K in my Percy today, I'd feel like straight AIDS. If I made 100K, the good feelings would not outweigh how bad I would feel if I lost 100K. So, this fucking, you know. I don't know what that was and nobody's saying anything, so that was just a big fuck you from the market saying, hey, if you're short, we're gonna fuck you. I don't see any news right now. No idea. They turned on some algorithms 4 minutes before the top of the hour or something. I have no idea. Snap that off like blam. Nice. Yeah, it feels like a liquidity grab, but I mean, that's so much motion right there. It perked over VWAP too. Dude, you know what? It reminds me of like way back in the day when I first started trading. I used to chase those fucking moves all the time and get shit on, especially like for newsprints. I think that's actually what got me into trading the news, was getting fucked on by those candles and not realizing what was going on. It was like press releases for Apple and Facebook, FB back in the day. And I'd be like chasing those. I'd be like, wow, it's going up. I'm chasing it. And they go straight down. Comment on funded seat, please. Good so far? Yeah, great. Except for the fact that I hit my maximum, my daily loss limit today, which was kind of annoying. Tried to short I tried to pitch and catch the fucking lower end of that news, and I got fucked on. So I hit my daily loss limit. I got $2,000 left in those accounts. Thankfully, activation was free. I don't have to pay anything to activate those. That's the silver lining, I suppose. 68% off with code RIPS. Can't really complain. I'm just hate losing. I love winning. I hate losing. It's just frustrating for me. That's all. Bro, my join bid and join ask has been absolutely fucking me today. Well, stop using it. Stop using it. Use market orders. If you have to tell me, then stop using it. Oh, man, this market is giving me primo anxiety. Even though I'm not going to trade funded accounts for the rest of the day, probably, I still just want to win. I don't think I should touch my Apex accounts today. I think I created those accounts on Friday, so I have, 20 plus days to trade those things. Like, I think they're just terrifying people who are trying to short this market because, like, what's stopping them from doing another fuck you candle at 9 a.m., right? Not saying it's going to happen, but still, it's like, if I was trading my Percy, I'd be fucking terrified. Like, if I was short from up here somehow in my Percy, I'd be so fucking closed right now. That would be me closing it. Boink. Here's another one of those questions. Why don't you use CBD? Rips, why don't you trade the NASDAQ? Rips, why don't you ever look at the S&Ps? Rips, why don't you ever look at the Mag 7? Rips, why aren't you a momentum trader? Why do you say it with such confidence? Like as if you know that I don't use CBD. Hey, dipshit, what the fuck is this on your screen right here, you fucking absolute dipshit cocksucking moron? Suck my fucking dick, you retard. Learn how to ask fucking questions. Hey, Rips, do you use CBD? Stop being such an assumption fucking retard moron, you fucking asshat. Fucking dipshit. Hey, Rips, why don't you trade NASDAQ? Hey, Rips, why does my dick only fucking touch the top of my balls? Hey, Rips, why when I take a piss, does my piss drip all over my balls? You fucking dipshit cocksucker. Learn how to ask a fucking question. Good morning, everybody. People walking outside hearing the rap. That dude's catching strays. Homeboy's catching strays. I hope your wife knows how to ask questions. Oh, brother. See, people who ask that kind of question, I hope your wife knows, dude, that's something that wouldn't even cross my mind. How do you treat your wife? How do you treat your wife? Just curious, because that would never even cross my mind. How do you treat your wife, brother? How do you treat other humans? Sounds like I got a little personal there, Scott. Oof. Oof. Sounds like I got a little personal there, buddy. Some nice odds for the overs if this holds. What are we at? 205 and a quarter. Rips, in the future, you're going to be getting any discount code for Squawks. I'm on a trial for live Squawks and so far enjoyed. Wow. You're actually enjoying Squawks? That's crazy. That's wild work, brother. I have a discount on Benzinga, but like I don't want you guys getting Benzinga because like, dude, they're like 30 seconds delayed from BT. I don't know if that's worth your money or not. What's my bias? Not to get fucked. That's my bias right now. How come when I try to copy a trade on Tradeovate 2 accounts, it will only buy one contract at a time? You have to change your quantity to 2. Change your quantity to 2. Bull or bear? Neither, dude. Way too choppy to have that out there right now. If I'm looking at equities alone, it looks like we're going to sell off. If I'm just looking at the equities picture. But there's just too much hanging in the balance right now. You know what I mean? Rips, am I better on multiple 50Ks or one 150K? What's your insight? I would assume multiple 50s because the profit target is... Yeah, I trade 50Ks on TBT because of the trailing drawdown issue. I don't want to try to get out of a $4,500 trailing drawdown before I get paid. I only want to get out of a $2,000 trailing drawdown. So I trade the 50Ks. And to think in the NASDAQ that with... What's the cap on that? 6 contracts per account? To think with 6 minis... that you can't make $10,000 in a trading session in the NASDAQ is fucking insane. You know? Quick question on your COB column and book map. Do you have asks disabled? Are you only displaying the bids on the COB? These are the offers. These are the bids. Bids are down here. Asks. So this is bid, this is ask, this is COB. You see what I'm saying? Bid, ask, COB. This is a column, 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 right? Can I have your bookmap layout? You can't export a bookmap layout, unfortunately. It includes your passwords, so no. Yeah, they're separate columns. I know it's a, dude, my layout on bookmap should just be studied for retardation. It's really stupid. Overs? All right, let's pay it. 906, perfect. Boink, there you go, overs are paid. What's next? Let's do 946, this is the big one. This is the big one everybody loves. All right, here we go. 10 minutes for this prediction. Your layout is hella confusing me. Yeah, I mean, dude, I tell people all the time not to copy my layout. It's something that where I used it and it stuck with me. You know what I mean? MacD, what is, are you already in there or no? Hey, Rich, my kid did snap yesterday and is over the hills. She got a green day in real trades. Let's fucking go, baby. Okay, what's your name on Instagram or Twitter, brother? I'm gonna send you the code right now. Instagram or Twitter. Please. Insta. Is it MacD984? Okay. Oh, 3-inch bus. Hey, what a name. Dude, what a fucking name. You're private. Can you send me a DM? I hate this new feature on. I can't DM anybody who's private. How stupid. Send me a DM right now on Instagram. Jan says, wow, I simply copied my Lucid accounts and they're telling me I'm flagged for hedging violations. Are you using Tradeovate built-in copy trader or are you using an auxiliary, an external copy trader? What are you using to copy trade? All right, there you are. There you go, buddy. Come on down. Trade Syncer. There you go. There's your issue. Don't ever use those external copy traders. You're gonna get fucked. Don't ever use those, man. You're gonna get completely fucked. There's nothing you can do. They're gonna fucking go haywire. They're gonna cost you your accounts. Don't ever use those things, man. Hold on one second, Ropes Mod. Here, just double check these numbers here. Make sure it's not. Hold on, one second. Okay, yeah, you're good, Ripsmart. Thank you. How can I be part of the prediction? Go to kick.com/rips. You can you can gamble channel points over there that you generate just by watching over on Kick. And those channel points can be redeemed for free prizes. There is no cost to you. There's no ads on Kick. There's lower latency on the stream. The video quality and audio quality is much better than watching on YouTube. It is a far better experience to watch on Kick. Kick.com/rips. How do I watch past streams? Either on YouTube or on Kick. Go to the channel. The whole archive's there. YouTube holds the archive for forever. Third-party software to copy are the biggest scams. I agree. Well, you know, they try, but I just think you're risking shit, man. It's silly. It's a silly risk to do. And furthermore, I just don't understand why you'd ever want to copy all your prop firms together. Just mitigate your risk by trading them separately. Like think about it. If I copy traded all my trades together today, I would have all of my accounts would be daily loss limit or blown because I took one bad trade this morning. Not bad, but it was the wrong trade. So instead of blowing all my accounts, I took one bad trade, hit daily loss limit. I get to trade those tomorrow, my funded seat funded accounts. And then I made 4 winning trades across Lucid and then these funded alpha accounts. So I don't really understand the hullabaloo around why you want to copy anyway. Just trade them one at a time. Rips, do you still use TPO charts? No. I do not. Time, price, opportunity. All right, let's see if we get a little pump up here towards 230. Right now holding around 220. I'm going to try a short here underneath 220. I want to see them breaking below 215, and I would add to that. Just trying a small little trade here. Right approximately at the point of control, because if we break lower, it can definitely have some sauce to the downside. It's either going to reverse from here or it's going to break lower, so willing to try this one. We have 22 liquidity here at the bottom. Seeing if we tuck back below into that 220 area. It doesn't look like we're going to. Let's see though. They're still bidding that up. I'm going to flatten that. Just took a little pop shot there, trying to get that failure point back below 215. Watching to see how high they trade this. 230 is a big line in the sand here. We are trending towards the EMA and the S&Ps as well. Still some weakness in the S&Ps here. Back to the 1 hour mid. Still pushing up out of this for the time being. Okay, rejecting under 230. I'm going to try this short again. Looking to target this weakness back down to 2250 in the S&Ps. See if we can get this pull back down through 25 now. 25 is the line in the sand here. See if they want to continue lifting offers or if they want to bring this back on down. So they're threatening to break back into 220s here. They're gapping offers, which makes me think that they're likely going to let this roll. Yeah, they're still pushing it heavy. Yeah, they're really gapping offers here. This is crazy. I don't trust when they start gapping offers like that. It seems like they're just trying to trap people. But happy to be wrong and stop out as well. I'm gonna stop down there. All right, back to 235. Ah, fuck you. Can't make it up. Can't make it up. Fuck you, market. I love you, but fuck you, you piece of shit. Fuck you. God damn it. I knew it, dude. I knew it. They're gapping offers. Something's about to happen. I fucking knew it. Oh, god damn it. Hilarious. That's so funny. I'm like, they're gapping offers. They're trying to scam people into these longs. They're gapping offers and then... Oh, you can't make it up. The timing on that was hilarious. Ay, ay, ay. What a market. Oh, it's so fun. What a market, huh? I'm like, they're gapping these offers. They're gapping these offers. They're like, it's such a fight. When they do that, that's some signature that they're going to drop it super heavy, but stopped out at 235 before they went with it. It's so annoying. I can't believe they take, dude, if they would have just taken that to like 233, we would still be in that. Oh well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Manheim Wholesale Used Vehicle Index 215 versus 212. Who cares? Back to no volume. Sweet. See, my anxiety is warranted for today's market for sure. All right, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, we're back. What did I miss? Absolutely nothing. This market, man. It's too funny. I think I'm just gonna wait for the open. This is just too much. I just not vibing with it. This is too much. Too much fuckery. Man, way too much fuckery, dude. Yeah, Bookmap looks like an ECG, 100%. If U.S. attacks power plants, entire region in Saudi Arabia will fall into complete darkness. There's no negotiations with the U.S. There you go. That was what caused that. That fucking... Yeah, I don't think we're going to touch our alpha funded again today. It's probably just not a great idea. Kind of annoyed by that, but whatever. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Probably a little bit of sideways action, barring any breaking news, until the market opens here in 8.5 minutes. I literally got stopped out right there with you a millisecond before that fell off a cliff. Yeah, I know. This is the way it works lately. Just have to tamp down your frustration in these markets. That's pretty much it. Damn, prediction is a full 50-50, so 2-1 on your points. Amazing. Increíble. Yeah, so we'll see. Everybody's just posturing right now in this market. Is there a world where we retrace all the way back up to 425? Maybe. Like yesterday's regular trading hour session was such trash, bro. Funded seat? D-Cross, where you been, buddy? Yeah, funded seat is epic. 68% off. Been around for 8 months. Never missed a payout ever. Never denied a payout ever. Just wait for Goblix tonight. You'll have a better opportunity. I love Goblix. Gobble, gobble. That pop just saved my day. Nice. Getting back on the horse, been focused on car stuff, car world stuff lately. Ferrari Phil, the legend. Ferrari Phil helped me get my brand new SF90. Thank you, pal. Now we're just figuring out all the mods. It turns out that SJ is actually known by the person who does my detailing. So linking up with him and yeah, good times, good comms. Goblix is the market Bryce's mom. Yeah, she is definitely into Goblix. SF90 giveaway today? Yes, absolutely. Don't even want it anymore. Just, she gone. How do you track income for filing taxes? I have a whole team that does that for me. I don't have to do shit. Catch me never fucking doing that shit. Have an accountant. Catch me never looking at a spreadsheet, brother. No, thank you. Not my speed. Just trying to live out here, player. Miss me with that spreadsheet shit. This is how much you owe? All right, signed, done. Send the wire. Done. Yeah, he is dope. I think his name is Jay, actually, or Jason or something. I don't know. Is there a buffer in the daily before payout? Yes. There's a buffer you have to exceed. Correct. It's $4,100 in the 150K account, so I got an uphill battle in these bad doggers now. Wish I would have fucking nailed that first trade. It's kind of annoying. Fucking stupid ass bullshit. Fucking piss me off. Whatever. Annoying ass market, dude. All right, 4 minutes, champions. 4 minutes till the market opens here. 4 minutes to go. Buckle in. It's gonna get bumpy as fuck. Have you read Best Loser Wins? Yes. It's one of the books I recommend. I think I'm staying out today. It's going to be untradeable with the news. Maybe. I mean, it's today is definitely a very tricky day. It's going to be very difficult. It's going to be very, very hard to trade today. That's why I'm sticking probably, can't even trust myself, probably to evals only. Get ready for fucking truth socials to come out. Get ready for Iran to posture. Get ready for a bunch of fucking chest beating and fucking fart huffing. Just a bunch of back and forth, probably. We're gonna bomb you. No, we're gonna bomb you. No, we're gonna bomb you. Yeah, get ready for a bucking bronco ride of your life. 3 minute warning now. 3 minute warning. Oh! God. Why's it gotta be so spicy? Everyone loves their own. God, dude. You're a sick fuck. Oh, man. Everybody loves their own recipe. What are you talking about? Fucking dropping bombs in the elevator shaft. How long have you been with her? All right. We got 2 minutes, folks. 2 minutes until the party starts. Let's do it, Ferrari Phil. Just double checking. I don't have anything Friday, right? Nope. Friday's good. Saturday is when we have that thing. So. We're gonna rip that thing. We're gonna do donuts in the middle of the strip, baby. Welcome to Kick there, bro. I mean, it's about time. The sooner you join, the more channel points you will generate, brother. Don't waste time. We're going to delete your civilization is what he said, right? We're going to destroy or erase. I don't know. He said something very threatening. This is like a quintuple top breakout potentially here off the open. So fuck, this is going to be insanely violent. Inside 1 minute, champs. 1 minute. This is your 1 minute warning. Check your positions at the gate. Get ready for pure, unfettered violence today in the markets. Get ready for some whiplash. Put your head back. Your trade table's in the upright position. Seat belts fastened. It's going to be bumpy. Oh. Good luck, everybody. 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds. And the markets are open. Big boner candle Randall to start things off here. Did not claim 300s yet. Or did, my bad. It absolutely did claim 300s. Big rejection there in both the S&P and the Nas. Will 250s hold? I'm going to try a short here below 250. Try to keep my stops somewhat tight. We're holding at 250 for a while here. Don't like that at all. I'm going to cover that. Held at 250 for way too long. Give me one more bounce up to the north side here. They're trying to dunk these 50s still. Taking that short below 50s now. Want to see continuation. Right now holding just below 50. 40s are trading out here. We are breaking below the opening range balance here. Cutting below those 20s now. Nice move to the downside. Watching for 200s to trade here. Nice pull to the downside here. Front running those 200s, leaving one as a runner. There's your 200s. Put my stop just above break even. Stopped out. Nice opening drive to the downside here. Let's see how this reflex treats us. Good move on front running 200s. I know, right? Thanks, man. If you can't crack yourself up, are you even a trader? Okay, watching for weakness below 240 now. Oh, they're running out of strength here. Let's see. Shout out to the pan flute player holding it down for these based jams this early in the morning. That pan flute man can blow harder than Carlos's mom on a Saturday night. Those pipes are something to be studied. Haven't seen a mouth on a pan flute player like that since Yusuf's mom. She sucks like a Hoover vacuum that's been turbocharged. Big sell from Meta right now. Microsoft is bouncing. Nvidia trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. Uh, 20s are not holding, it looks like. We might be revisiting 200s here. We are comfortably below the point of control in the S&Ps. I'd like one more little bounce here, up a little bit higher. Can we bounce, move, and shake this thing towards those 20s? Break out of the 20s currently. Some players are trying to short into this, but this could create and invite a squeeze here. Back in short, back below 20s. Triggered my order here. Looking for this to stay weak below 50s. Adding again, looking for 20s to stay weak. There are some bids underneath, but I think that we can slice into those things. Show me potato salad to the downside and we will run it. We are building some bids down here, but we can easily slice through that 215 area if we have enough juice. Right now, pushing right back up. Watching here for 250s to remain weak. Want to add into any kind of liquidity here that we're pushing up into and rejecting from. At the tippy top of this volume shelf now. Adding for the break of 25. Looking for 20s to trade. Can we get the mustard that we're looking for? New point of control at 25. We need to cut below that. Nice little slice below. Can we slice and dice? There's that fucking beautiful move. I love it. Oh my God, I'm rock hard over here. Jesus Christ. Boner to the downside. I may have just got exactly what I wanted, and boy, does it feel good. Market giving us a downside evacuation to the downside. Evacuating all of those orders from the bid. 40 Kuya says, hope you're a short. Yes, I do have a brain. It's crazy. That's how you manhandle the market or woman handle the market. I don't know what you identify as, but hey, we're all doing something with the market. Big spike there. Oh, violence is here to stay, folks. Waiting to hear if we have a press release for this boner candle randle to the north side here. Blowing out these shorts above 50. Oh my God, it's... Nope, nothing. Just straight booty blasting those shorts to the north side there. Spreading those cheeks wide. Bottle of KY next to the market makers. Looking to gape those cheeks. Market makers are ruthless today, reminding you why it's so hard to be a trader. Really just fucking drilling the point home today. Reminding you, hey man, trading's hard. Did you forget? Okay, we'll remind you today. Pass the KY. I want to show you something. No. Close your eyes. It's easier that way. Don't worry. I'll be gentle. Just kidding. F you. All right. Do we have a follow-up trade here? I'm trying to see if the market has any kind of chill. Right now, it's blowing out these early shorts. We're back at that point of control. We retraded earlier off the open here. Point of control cannot figure it out. We're delegating 2 volume shelves right now. Currently printing into the higher single prints, which is where we have less liquidity in both the S&Ps and the NAS. Quick check on gold over here. Gold's getting schmeckulated. Silver also probably, yep, same patterning silver. Metals are selling off. Equity futures starting to sell off a little bit here. This is going to be a touch and go to style of market. So if you are green in a trade, my advice to you would be to stay green and take that motherfucker down. If you catch a move, you feel that move and you take it the fuck down, baby girl. This is what our executions look like so far on TradeC. I'd say that's pretty goddamn good. Just trying to move with the motion of the ocean, the flow of these markets. Just bought 2 Lucid 50K flexes with rips. Thanks for all you do, player. Let's go, baby. Thank you for the support. Appreciate you very much. How are we doing today? WLR mid, WLR mid. Let me know how we're doing off this very, very difficult open. I know I joke a lot, but this is a very fucking hard open. The fact that I'm green $3,200 per account is a goddamn miracle. It is a April miracle. Miracle on April Street. My God. W's, L's, mids. I'm seeing everything. Yeah, I did realize that too. Highlands, Colorado says the market makers are not using any lube today. They may say pass the KY jelly, but have they even broken the seal yet on that shit? I don't think so. You pop the top, you still see the foil seal. Those fuckers are lying to us. It was all a ruse. We are in an L thanks to the folks in charge. Oh boy. We are coming down here. Yeah, I caught none of that. I mean, that was a valid pitch and catch, but for me to trust a pitch and catch in this market is just so difficult. We are completely range bound at this juncture. Point of control up here at 250, low point down here at 200. Can we break the lows? It's looking like we have enough pressure. 6,600 still hasn't traded off the open here in the S&Ps. They are defending that with their lives. Point of control just moved down. Right to 210, actually. Surprisingly, only 201 contracts traded off the open at that area, so point of control is being heavily battled for. 199 contracts traded up at 250, so it's anybody's ball game. If we revisit 250, we'd probably reverse from up there and set a new point of control. Let's wait and see. What's wrong with your kick chat, Highway to Hell? Talk to me. Cannot reclaim 250. There's something telling about that. Back down to 210, contracting more liquidity, trading more contracts down there. 200 is tapped. Can we get a tuck and roll? Looking for 6610 to trade out. We got 150 contracts down there in the S&Ps. 6600 still being held above. Big rejection there off the lows in Meta. Nvidia pointing to the north side. Microsoft showing incredible amounts of weakness now, breaking through 200 like it's nobody's business. 6610 still hasn't traded yet in the S&Ps. We're coming to it now. Some folks are front running that as expected. Let's see if we have weakness on this push up towards 215. 210 is the line in the sand currently. That is where the point of control has been traded. 210 is holding right now. I don't trust this. I'm not going to take it. But everything's telling me shorts because 6610 hasn't been touched yet. I'm still not taking it though. They're not going to muscle me into this thing. That was a right trade idea. Didn't execute though. Little scalp to the downside, paying you quite nicely if you took it. 6610 trying to be touched, still being front ran aggressively by players in the market. Very touch and go here, making a higher low in the NASDAQ. 210 still that big a line in the sand. Trading out 210s here. 217 contracts traded at the point of control. Got to be my connection, I think. What's the problem? You haven't told me what the problem is. Is it laggy? You can't chat? The emojis aren't working? What the fuck? Tell me, brother. Done in my alpha funded. That looks like a qualified account there, sir. Way to go. Making $200 like it's nobody's business. Give it up for Julius in the building. Way to go, brother. Let me guess. Trading in the micros as a good one would in their alpha-funded 25K account. Birdseed redeeming a 50K Lucid Flex account. Let's fucking go, baby. Birdseed, how do I find you on Instagram or Twitter? Let me know in a little bit or now. Either way. Wage Garden on X. Let's go. Let me send that to you right now because I don't want to be caught off sides by this shitty market. Wage. Was it Wage Garden? Wage Garden. All right, let's get you suited and booted here. You got a 50K something rather. Let me just get you. Ba 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 ba. MACD, you're taken care of. 50K Lucid Flex. I got you. Market is just taking no prisoners today. Lucid flex. Wow, coming right back down. No joke. There you go, buddy. You're all set, Birdseed. Congratulations and great job on your channel points. We still have not touched 6610. That is very telling. If we break 6610, this market's going to roll very heavily. Another pitch and catch there that I didn't take. One here, one here. Well, yeah, we're painting a very big, deep volume shelf down here. We could be one Trump tweet away from this market just going straight up. War's over. 6610, and there it is. That just got touched. 6610 just got touched. Did not really snap it super hard, but we are kind of driving through it. Some folks are really basing out some bids there at 6610. Watching on this pushback up towards 200 here. Yeah, so we exchanged that liquidity at 6610. Does look like we're moving back into balance here at 210. That was a great reversal trade if you caught it. Lost 56,000 points today. Dude, I tell you guys are gambling way too heavy on your channel points. You shouldn't be risking more than 20% of your channel points account. It's crazy. You guys go all in every time. I don't understand it. Never will. Bankroll management is a thing. All right, pushing again towards those 210s. We just made a micro higher low on the micro structure there. We're still kind of holding these lows. 6610 is still kind of holding here. I want to see if we can actually... I'm seeing here. We are pulling down to 175. We're holding at 610. We're making a triple bottom here for the time being. Watching. We are still holding these lows for the time being, especially if, dude, if we started taking liquidity above 210, this thing would go crazy. So I'm just trying to see what they're trying, what's their fucking goal here? I mean, we have room all the way down to 130s, 50 points below us here, but they're fucking defending this. 6610 is being defended like their life depends on it, so they're trying to mush through it right now. A lot of bids still down here. A whole mess of bids down here. They're still mushing into these bids. Asia's low is coming up. They're still sending it lower here. Microsoft is holding the line. Nvidia pulling back and Meta pulling back. I think it's going to be temporary though. Let's see here how hard we're mushing into these lows. A lot of downside pressure here into those 160s now. 6605 is trading. 6600 is next up. So let's see if we get room all the way down to 130s first. Did just tag close to Asia's low. Watching here on the reclaim. 6610 is the line in the sand. And another PNC there. Still aggressive sellers on this tape. 6605 trying to get touched like a choir boy in the church. Let's see, 150s here. 150s getting taken. They're still heavy. but they're pushing it very violently out of these pulls. So watching here at these 150s again, 66.05, still trying to fucking fade. A lot of PNCs here. Feel like if we can get a reversal here, it's going to be a legendary reversal. So we're coming down off these lows here. They're starting to squeeze a little bit, but not enough yet. If we broke back above 175, this thing would be so violently whippy back to 210s. I'm going to try this long, actually. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm going to try this long for a breakout of 170 here out of these lows. They are still feathering here. Super heavy at 165, but I think we're going to start to... Yep, there it is. Oh my gosh, how does he do it? How the fuck does he do it? It's incredible, isn't it? The feel of being a tape reader. Isn't it incredible? And we're going to peel off one right there. And we have one as a runner. And stopped out there at 170. Amazing. It's called Game Sense, ladies and gentlemen. That's called a no-scope 360 headshot. Sniper precision like you've never seen. Unless you're Carlos's mom and you've seen that sniper precision with the cock. Spitting hot fire, flames, sticky goo straight in the eyeballs. That's another one. Headshot. Oh my God. What did Carlos do? I don't even remember at this point. Honestly, I have no idea. No fucking idea what Carlos even did. I don't even remember the guy's username. I have no fucking idea. It doesn't matter anymore. You're damn right. You're damn right about that. Literally doesn't matter at all. Yeah, they're still holding the line at 66.05 here. If we touch 150 again in reverse, I think that'd be a nice trade, but we'll see. What if Carlos knows how much his mom is? 66.05 really wants to be broken here. Let's see. Yeah, they're still hammering into it. 6600 will likely get traded at this level. Given how heavy we're pushing into that 66.05, there's a lot of sellers here. Ripping off of 150 again. Yeah, Apple's just getting creamed today. That's really the lost leader of all of the Mag 7 here. Apple needs to bounce above 250. Yeah, they're still having a lot of trouble reclaiming above this volume shelf at 175 for the time being. Aggressive sellers still. Back down to this 150 level. Yeah, kind of like the midpoint that we saw in yesterday's pre-market. Same area price. Yeah, I think they're probably going to go for a squeeze here pretty soon. They're still finessing 175. There they go. Let's see if we have that pullback strength into bids. They're still feathering heavy up top. They're blocking 185s now. Back to 175. I'm going to take this long for a snap above 185 here. So I'm back in the longs. See if we have this pullback that we could add into. But we're likely going to get that snap above 185 here. So watching here at these 170s. Starting to bull up here for some strength. 66.15 is a big line in the sand. Watching for this snap above 185 now. They're still holding the line just above 170. Watching here on this pullback, 165. Adding right here. I want to peel out some contracts as we bounce at 160s. So adding again right here. Looking for that 175 to trade. Watching here on that pushback up. Should be able to get that clean resolution as we bounce above 160 here watching. Might have to add again here at 160. Watching for this bounce back above 175 now. We should scream right above this level. There it is. Beautiful connection. Take that right off. Bang. Straight back to 180s like a champion. Never had a mother doubt. There's the squeeze we're looking for. Got out early. I feel like I was plowing Carlos's mom. Just pulled out of that thing way too early. Jesus Christ, it's everywhere. Find me another trader who can find the squeezes like Ripsy, and I'll tell you that you found a liar. Ain't nobody can read the market like a Ripsy Huss. The name's Ripsy Hustle. Ain't nobody doing it like Ripsy. Yeah, these are my Lucid Pro accounts. We are halfway to pass town. As you wait, is there a fucking consistency in the evals? I don't think there is, right? Let me just make sure. See, I always forget. No, there's not. Fuck yeah. Let's go, baby. Run the jewels, Ripsy. Okay, I will. How we doing, folks? It's called Reading the Market Live. I know you're not used to seeing this, especially if you follow some fat fucking losers like ICT. That dipshit over there is still saying,
I'm looking for the inverted turtle ninja soup, and I think that...
He's probably ranting about how the world's gonna end. That fucking dumb piece of shit. That dumb piece of shit can suck my cock. Actually, no. Would actually not prefer that at all. He can't do anything right, let's be honest. He would forget to cup the balls, that son of a bitch. That motherfucker doesn't do anything right. He wouldn't even cup the balls. He wouldn't even have the goddamn decency to give a man a reach around. That son of a bitch. What am I saying? Yeah, I would prefer Carlos's mom, let's be honest. Oh man, that was a beautiful, beautiful read. I gotta glaze myself on that one a little bit more. That was just beautiful, just gorgeous. How many people caught that, by the way? Drop a W in chat if you caught that, if you were paying attention. I'm curious. YouTubers, you don't be shy now. Drop a WL or mid. Did you catch that beautiful pop from 160s straight to the moon skis? God damn it. Let's go. 1,200 on the day. How much we up, folks? Drop some numbers for me. Give me some numbers. Give me some numbers. 800 bucks, 600 bucks, 1,200, 800, 840, 2K, 750, 3,500, 6,000, 1,500. Let's fucking go. Bang! It's Funded Seat in here. What's up? How can I help you? What would you like to know? I'm here to answer any of your Funded Seat related questions. What can I do for you? T-Rock was down 1,300 bucks, now up 2,000. Let's go. Beautiful work, everybody. Beautiful work. You gotta love it. Why does Funded Seat not apply 68%? It's 60% off, and then the code RIPS gives you an additional 20% off. Account randomly went inactive. Did you hit your daily loss limit, perhaps? I hit my daily loss limit of my Funded Seat funded accounts this morning, so I'm guessing you hit your daily loss limit. No, sir. Okay. What's, do you want to DM me a screenshot of what's going on? If you DM me a screenshot, I'll send it straight to the team. Send it to me. Send me a screenshot. I'll make it happen. Rips, I need your help, man. I bought a Funded Seat account with Rhythmic and made $1,500, but I hate this Rhythmic web trading platform. You are, sir, what we call Carlos's mom. That's right, bent over and fucked. There's nothing you can do now. If you're on Rhythmic, trade on TradeC, my friend. Victor, trade on TradeC. Go to app.tradec.ai. You can send it to me on x.com/rips or instagram.com/ripstrades. TradeC is goated. Is that a sheep or a goat? What does a goat sound like? Hold on. I don't think I've ever heard a goat before. What does a fucking goat sound like? Hold on, let's ask Bryce's mom. What do you sound like when you're getting plowed like a wheat field? Oh, what does a goat sound like? It sounds like, hey, I'm... You guys are funny. I love you guys. All right, 6605, trading again. Man, that was a beautiful, beautiful PNC on the way down. I didn't catch any of it. I was too busy gloating about my trade. Okay, so we did just hit the prior low. We did just take it out and sweep it. The 130s did get swept here. 6600 still wants to trade real fucking bad here. Touch and go, touch and go, touch and go. Canadian March Ivy Purchasing Managers Index PMI PMI at 49.7 versus a 56.6 prior, so coming in very soft and weak. Boom ba dum ba dum boom ba 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 bum ba bum ba bum. So yeah, Victor, get TradeC, brother. If you have a Rhythmic account, you can trade on TradeC with Funded Seat, my friend. Rips about a 150K Funded Seat account, but my card got charged 50 more than what was on the screen, the amount when I put in code RIPS. Send me a screenshot and I'll send it to the team immediately. Send me a screenshot. All of this can be solved with screenshots, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we are beneath hundreds. We are beneath 6,600 as well. 24,100. Talk about TradeC. It's the best trading platform around, baby. Currently rebasing at 6,600 here. We did just make a new low. Very, very weak underneath these hundreds still. A little bounce from Apple here, but I don't trust that bounce. Let's see if we can cut this rug a little bit lower. I'm taking this short here. I want to add if we punch back up towards 110 at all. Currently basing out towards these 90s. Let's see if we get a pop that we can add into here. We're currently short the NASDAQ. 6,600 reject here in the S&Ps. Looking for a nice pop to maybe 110 that we can add into here. Looking for 90s to trade out here for a flush through those 90s. Beautiful connection right below those 90s. Can we get that continuation? Just barely missed my order here. Back at these 90s, let's see if we can get that little bit of a flushacito to the downside and then get that hellfire raining below. Right there, we just need 85s to trade. Can you give me 85s, please? You sick son of a bitch. I love it. Thank you. All right, another $1,500. Into the face. In the face. There you go. You got to be touch and go in this market, ladies and gentlemen. You hold and hope you're going to get fucked. Dare I say, booty blasted. Be careful. Who here is winning alongside your boy Ripsy? Drop a W if you are. I'd love to see it. We are just taking this market for a walk. See, that's why I say don't hold and hope. You can get your cheeks clapped back up to those hundreds like it's nobody's business. Biggity bang, 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 bang. Ron shorting for 70 points. I love to see it, brother. Nice work. That was a very nice PNC you caught there, my friend. Very nice PNC. Went short at 220, done for the day. Just here to kick it now. Thank you, Gunny. Thanks for being here, player. Vadim up 200 times 2 fundeds and 700 times 2 combines. Way to go, brother. Love to see that. Catching a little bit of motion on a Tuesday, my friend. A little bit of motion. Can't believe it's already Tuesday. What the hell? What happened to Monday? Just flew by. Psycho Captain said, made a mistake and down 6K. What happened? What was the mistake? Let's talk about it. Let's figure it out. Will you be adding funded seat to the prize kicks boy? I can't. It's not up to me. It's Jerome Powell's thing. So if he opts in for that change, then we'll do it. Got distracted how long? Too long? Well, put your stops in place, brother. Put those stops in place. Don't get distracted. Have stops that take care of that shit for you so you can be distracted and still be okay. 6,600 having trouble being reclaimed here. A lot of trading activity around those 6,600s. They are selling this thing still heavily. We have room about 80 points lower if this thing wants to really tuck and roll down below 94 3/4 in the S&Ps. Big old tuck and roll opportunity here. Watching on this push back up towards 6,600 in the S&Ps. A lot of bids down here, but we are eating into them very aggressively. 65, 94 3/4 here, trying to get slammed into. We are seeing some bids in NASDAQ kind of intercepting that flow. Let's see if we have a little bit of a punch up here. Watching for that little lift towards 85. Thank you, Bookmap. Watching for the lift towards 85 now. Bit of a lift here towards 85. Going short here, looking for the breakdown of 70s. Nice breakdown here. We'll take that off. Nice clean trade for 200 quick bucks. Nice little tuck and roll. Bounce to the 80s. Snap to 65, and we take it. Thank you so much, Mr. Market. I appreciate the service today. You're making my boners worth it. 75 is trading again. 66, 94 3/4 did get sliced down. We did exchange that liquidity down there. Ripsmod on fire today. Unders won at the last prediction. Okay, sure, let's do it. There you go. Choose the outcome. Unders win. Bang. And that was Vlad's strat. If you guys think he's wrong, go after him. Rips, is that 57.14 on funded seat funded? Nope, that is not. That is in my Lucid Pro accounts. I hit my daily loss limit on my very first trade today, unfortunately. I wish these were my funded seat. I'd be fucking clapping with joy right now. I guess I should have just been patient. We are drilling now. Drilling. Exchanging very heavily. Like I said, we have room down to 24,009 here. Yeah, we're going to take that lower. We're looking for 24,009 to trade here. 24,009 to trade. We'll add on these pops if we can get that action right here. We're looking for the slice through the 20s now. Beautiful slice and dice action down towards these 20s. Watching for this to exchange just a touch lower here. Let's see if we can get that slicing back towards those 25s. There we go. That's exactly what I'm looking for. We'll take that down. 67.19 on the day. We are just swimming through these markets like the gallons of sperm that swims through Carlos's mom's throat on a daily basis. My goodness.
Headshot.
What a beautiful tuck and roll there. Not to be confused with every man's favorite thing to do on the couch, which is the pinch and roll. Highlight Hive is up $1,300 now. Baby, let's go. Ripsy reversal still in full effect. My God, how does he do it? 45 traded almost. 40s are being defended here. We are seeing some bids stacking up in the S&Ps. Hands are off for the time being. Odin says, I just pinched and rolled as you said pinch and roll. Oh, buddy, I felt that. The Niners are going to trade here. Bang, biggity, boom. 24,009 and a quarter called out literally when we were trading back above 100. How does he do it? I don't know. Talent, speed, momentum, I guess. Looking for the previous day low to exchange now. Literally $2,300 away from passing these accounts. 65.80 and a half will likely be front round here. Yeah, they are exploding this thing to the downside. Really, really riding this thing. Back up towards these 10s. We are back in short. I will add if we get up to the 20s, but we are back in short here. I don't want to take this too heavy, but if we start to get a pump back up to those 20s, I will consider it. Back below 24,000 would be another trigger point for me. There we go, back below 24,000. Can we cut into those 95s with some strength here? Looking for 95s to trade out now. A little pop back up, back to 24,010. Adding right here, looking for that bid to evaporate just below 24,010. See if we can get that to trade back down below 24,005. We should have that rough and rowdy feel here. Watching 24,005. Watching for that to cut through. And there's the connection. Looking for that to tank a little bit lower here. Make new lows on the market. I'm going to peel off a little bit here. How about a little bit more? Can we actually take that down? Got one as a runner here. 8 bridge segments have been struck. According to the military, we just took that off. Watching here, bouncing back up to the 20s. Finding some strength back up to the north side. Exchange back at 24,009. Very nice push back up here. Looking for weakness into these 40s perhaps. Let's watch and see. A lot of front running into those 40s, of course. Back in short for that weakness below 40s. Let's see if we can ride this right back down below these 20s. Adding for the break of 20s. We want to see weakness below the 40s now. Can we find that weakness to hold below 40s? Right now, 40s are the line in the sand. Can we break back below 30s, or is it going to slam us up through those 40s for the time being? Algorithm shift there. We should be seeing this tuck below these 30s. Let's see if we get that roll below the 30s or stacking those bids at those 30s for the time being. Watching here, a little bit of a bid stack. We should be able to cut through those 30 bids. Nope, they're fucking raining hellfire on them. Watching for these bids to roll at these 30s now. Let's see if we get that cut back below those 30s. Should be able to see that. We're at the tippy top of this volume shelf. So it's either an explosion or a drop. Back at these 40s now. Holding at these 40s. I'm going to cover a little bit here. We'll re-add back down here at these 30s. Looking for that 30 to snap now. Very nice 30 snap here. Looking for that continuation back below 30s. Just want that continuation back below those 30s, and we should start to roll heavily into those 20s again. Watching, watching, watching. Here comes that 25 tuck. Peeling off half the position at the 25 tuck. Taking off 3 more. Looking for 20s to fade now. Beautiful fade right below those 20s, and we're going to take the rest off there. Beautiful. $1,700 away from passing now. Moving with the motion of the ocean. Little pitch and catch there up at those 40s. I may be early, but I'm not wrong. Pass to Lucid. Thanks, boo. Let's go. Give it up for Vander Rose. Vander Rose in the building, passing the Lucid account like he's driving by it on the highway. Once again, the Ripsy reversal holding true here. You know, you got to be learning how to trade in this volatility because you don't want these days to pass you by. Some of the most alpha you can get is not only using code RIPS, but trading this volatility that's presented to you almost every day in this type of market. Steve trades up $10,000 today, you dirty bird. Boy, howdy, I wish this was in our funded accounts because we are currently up, what is it, 73.70, spot 50. We're up $36,000 trading these Lucid accounts right now. Unbelievable. What 40% consistency number do you use to choose to stop your trading in Lucid? You take your profit target, you multiply it by 0.40, and that's what I stop at. Another pitch and catch there at 40s. Boy, howdy, it's beautiful. Now, don't let anybody tell you this is an easy market. This is not an easy market, folks. This is a scalper's paradise, but it's not an easy market by any stretch of the imagination. Beautiful moves, beautiful moves. How do you use your profit target? Multiply it by 0.40. The profit target is $3,000. Then we make $1,200. If the profit target is $3,500, I don't even remember what it is. It's been a minute, you know? Do 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 bo do do bo do bo. Got that Nintendo music flowing right now. Let's see if anybody sent me DMs about the issues they were having. What is their support saying? If you send me your email address too, Landon, I can try to my best here to send your email address and be like, what's going on? I don't understand how they can trade in this kind of market without Bookmap. Well, if you use like a TPO or candlesticks and you're watching the time and sales, it's possible. That's how I used to trade. Bookmap just makes things more visually appealing and easier for me to digest. So I like Bookmap. What a day, ladies and gentlemen. What a day. I feel like we lost 200 people that were hate watching, hoping that I lose. Not today, fuckers. Not today. Gonna have to try again tomorrow, you shitheads. Sorry. Suck my dick. I do not execute on Bookmap, no sir. What data package do I use? Currently on your screen, you're seeing the Rhythmic data package. You can get a 14-day free trial of the Rhythmic data. If you'd like it, I can post the link for the 14-day Rhythmic free trial. You must have a Bookmap subscription already. We are driving higher here, coming out of that low end. Probably going to drive mostly up to 85 here. Lower end of the next volume shelf. Currently rejecting at the 1 hour mid. Weekly open, where is that? 94. Weekly open at 94, rejecting heavily at the 1 hour mid. Point of control just moved to 60s. Pretty telling. Not a lot of vibes back up towards those 60s right now. We're going to take this short, looking for this to stay weak underneath these 60s. Looking to follow this weakness to the downside here. We do have a bid, but I don't believe it. I don't trust that bid at all. I think that we're going to crash right on through. I want to see 35 starting to trade lower here. Let's see if we can cut that down below 35 now. Watching for the 35 fade. Looking for that 35 fade to hit. Can we break down below that 35 level now? They're trying to push into those 40s, getting popped back up there. Don't like that at all. Let's see if we rejected these 50s. Looking for 35s to trade. Still looking for 35s to trade. 35s, please. 35s. Looking for those 35s to trade on this pop back up. Holding at 45 now. It's 10 points lower. If you didn't know, Mr. Market, it's 10 points lower that we're looking for here. Yes, that's the one. That's the direction we're looking for. Yeah, just right down. Straight down below those 40s, my friend. That's the one we're looking for. Yep, 35s is the area we're looking for, my friend. Yep, 35s, not 40s. 35s, actually. Do I have to reduce my size to tell you what kind of point we're trying to make here? No, I don't, right? Oh, fuck you. Get down below. Get those 35s, you dirty bastard. Fuck you. God damn it. Dick for a tick there. Watching here at 50s now. Do we reject it? Those 50s are front running 50s. Need to get back down below those 50s in a jiffy here. Okay, there's those 50 pulls. Watching for 45 to get pulled again. Can we get that? There we go. 45s are getting pulled. Let's see that push into the 45s again. Should be able to fade. Watching 45s here. They're bouncing like a bag of sand. Okay, there we go. There's your 40s and 35s tagged. Okay. $1,000 away from passing now. Like a bag of sand.
Another one.
You said it, DJ Khaled. You said it, DJ Khaled. 35s were tagged on the ticket. Punch your ticket, motherfuckers. We're here. Where's Toll Booth Willie? We're just painting the town red over here. AK in one sitting. Technically, 40,000, but hey, who's counting? We're copy trading 5 accounts. If the math is mathing, that is $40,000 live and direct in front of your face. Oh my goodness, look at this Pop Goes the Weasel bullshit. Barbara Streisand. One day I'm going to take the Ripsy reversal. I swear to God, that day is not today though. We are holding above 65 for the time being. We are seeing that weakness at the tippy top of this volume shelf at 6,600 in the S&Ps. Very, very tricky area of price here. We are in betwixt 2 volume shelves that have a lot of chances to fade. 6,600s are trying to bull out of the north side here. Likely going to go for a blow off top here above 85. Going to go long here for a blow off top above 85 now. And into that 85 area is the blow off top we're looking for. There we go. $600 away from passing now. Just believe, baby girl. Just believe. And if you held it for longer, boy, howdy did you get some. There's that blow off top above 85. Blow off top above 85. Bing bong biggity. 6,600s are the new line in the sand. As long as we contract, find some liquidity above that, we will continue this upside push. Pulling back to 24,100. Here's the retest. I have the 150K funded seed accounts, 150K funded seed accounts. They are still trying to defend 110s here, but I don't think they can do it. In fact, they're not going to, not on my watch, not today. We're going to take this, rip the doors right off above those 110s right now. Back to hundreds, let's see. 110s are currently holding to the upside here. Looking for that blow off top back above 110s. It would be, hold on. Would be right here. At 108. Watching here if we can hold this push back above the 90s. Currently holding back above 6,600. Some pressure coming in back at those 90s. Seeing if we can hold this pressure. Popping back above these 90s. I want to see this contracting rate. Oh no, they fucked me. Those little fuckers. They spurred out some orders to the downside, but we held those bids. Let's see if we get that pop back above those hundreds here. Watching here for that clean resolution into 108 and into 108. It's done. The mission has been passed. Bing bong biggity. Suck my dick, market. You ain't me. Who do you think you are? I am. That's right. That's right. You want to fuck with Ripsy? Suck my dick. Eat my ass. Well, the market is going to have to be walking with a limp after today because I buried my hog about 9 3/4 inches deep in its hole. Who here got that with me? Who here got that with me? I'm sorry. Too excited. Drop a W if you're making it happen today on these beautiful pop squeezes and Piccadillys. We didn't just take the market long, we took it short, then long again, then short one more time before we went long. It's a beautiful day to be a trader in the rib stream, isn't it? God bless America. Are users still getting 68% off with code RIBS? People are asking me. 60% plus an additional 20%, right? I'm asking Funded Seat. Let's see how fast Lucid wants to. Oh my God, they already updated their dashboard. Those sons of bitches. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Boy, howdy, it's time to see. Look at that. You passed the evaluation? No way. Who, me? The guy who did it all live for free? No way. Watch this. Here's my favorite magic trick. How much do we have to pay to put these things into the funded? Oh shit, nothing? Free activation? You don't say, you dirty dog. Oh my God, we're going straight to funded. That's right, we purchased these accounts just moments ago and we passed them live on the stream. There is no activation fee with Lucid, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful thing with Lucid. It truly is a beautiful thing. Now let's see our Lucid funded accounts. There they are, pending creation. Oh my! It is amazing. I love it. Lucid, right now, 40% off with code RIPS. You too can be flying into the moon. Weird, I saw this exact same thing on this channel a few days ago. No way! Yes. Funded Seat is still 68% off with code RIPS for those who are asking. It's 60% off plus an additional 20% off if you use code RIPS. The extra 20% off is for the first purchase. Only the first purchase? What do you recommend for Lucid accounts? I like trading the Lucid Pro accounts myself, but find an account that fits within your budget, your style. Of course, as you know, I trade these motherfuckers on TradeC because it is the greatest trading platform of all time. Not to be confused with Tradeovate, which is a bag of ass mixed with liquid diarrhea served with a side of 1980s AIDS. You know, if you're ever feeling really sick and you can't throw up, just say the word Tradeovate and you'll have a gag reflex. Tradeovate, it's disgusting. Is AIDS still a thing? Brother, it's 2026. That's why I specified 1980s AIDS, the uncurable type, the one that Magic Johnson didn't have. He had 1990s AIDS. That was the one that was curable. He put money in a blender and drank it down. 1980s AIDS, completely uncurable. Took Freddie Mercury from us. You know what I mean? Everyone uses Tradeovate though, bro. I know. I have to use it too. I fucking hate it. Trust me. I'd rather do pretty much anything rather than use Tradeovate. One of the worst platforms ever created. Eddie Murphy, no. Eddie Murphy, I don't think had AIDS. At least I don't know about that. Thoughts on NinjaTrader? There's no good way to copy accounts on NinjaTrader. You can use Replicanto, but it runs pretty bad. I love the days where you've had 4+ Celsius. I don't know what you're talking about. No idea. I think I'm on Celsius number 5. Robinhood is the worst. Robinhood is pretty bad. Apex has a NinjaTrader copy trader that's not too bad. Yeah, I remember they have the Apex copy trader. I've never used it before though. Something Americans in Bahrain. Fuck if I know. Do you cycle through accounts or trade all accounts at the same time? And if you blow up, just restart all accounts? No. We had a conversation about this earlier. I trade all of my accounts separately. Meaning, I trade my Lucid accounts as a group. I trade my Tradeify accounts as a group. I trade my Funded Seed accounts as a group. I trade my TPT accounts as a group. My Apex accounts as a group. I do not mix. I don't trade Tradeify and TPT at the same time. I don't do that. No, sir. Not me. Lucids must be live. Let's see. It is. They're still being activated. Are the Apex passed already? We're $2,500 away from passing on Apex. Is it not spooky not being able to have an automatically applied stop loss when copy trading? No, because look here. I'm going to jump on over to the Sandbox account here in my TradeC account so you can see this. This is not real. Again, these are not real trades. This is a fake demo trade. Look, I have delayed data. You can't even fucking see the thing. This is delayed data. Okay, this is a fake demo account. This is what I do when I'm trading. Say I'm long. Here's my stop loss instantly. Here's my TP instantly. I want to add to that position. Look, it modifies my stop. It modifies my TP. Oh, let's make it tighter. That's what she said. Let's bring that down. That's what she said. Okay, add to it, add to it, add to it, add to it, add to it. See, this is how you do it. You can move and drag, and there's no API limit errors or any of that bullshit. And now watch, when we get taken out of this trade, I don't even know where this fucking price goes, but when we get out of this trade, I just want to show you that the stop loss automatically gets taken out too. And bang, there you go. Just like that. Don't have to worry about a motherfucking thing, baby. There you go. Okay, back to reality here. Back to my Lucid trading accounts. Anyway, you get what I'm saying, right? That's why I love TradeC. Can't do the same thing on Tradeovades. Tradeovades is disgusting. God forbid you try to get a little bit of motion trading on Tradeovades. Terrible. Do you use TradingView? For my cash account, yes. For prop firm accounts, no. Prop firm accounts on TradingView is terrible. That's why we use TradeC. It's a dedicated connection directly to the market via Rhythmic. No lag. If you're using TradingView, you're connecting through multiple servers, which will create a bunch of lag on prop firms. If you're trading on a cash account, make sure you're connected with CQG. Cash accounts are golden on TradingView. Prop firms are aids on TradingView. I've never traded live on Tradeovate. I would never. No shot, baby. No shot. Not possible to leave orders on the table overnight that was 200 points away that you forget about because you've been looking at the 1 minute but charted them on the hourly. Amen, J Stores. You said it. Lito says, Rips, I'll do naughty things for an account. Just do it. Here's the thing, Lito. If I gave you a free account, it'd be gone in about 35 seconds or less. I've seen you trade before, and my God, it's pretty gross. It looks uglier than Carlos's mom's asshole. It is disgusting the way that you trade, sir. I'd rather bet against you if I could. Could I buy puts on Lito's trading, please? I'd love to do it if I could. If there's any kind of poly market on how fast you'll blow an account, I'll take the under. Doesn't matter the time. You blow out counts faster than Carlos's mom blows out an entire truck stop. And that's fast. Hashtag vote Carlos. I wish I even remember that guy's username. QS Barbell says, why is it that as soon as I am in profit and begin to manually trail my stop, I get stopped out or miss on a big move? How do I fight this mental battle? Any advice? Double the time that you're moving your stop loss. You need to let the trade develop a little bit more. I'm guessing that you trailed it in a little bit too tight into this move and you were long. Trail it slower, slowly. Also, one of the things that, in all seriousness, record your screen. Get a piece of software, obsproject.com, obsproject.com. Record your screen. You'll be shocked at how fast you're moving your stop loss. There is time dilation when you're in a trade. What you're going to find is that you're moving your stop loss a lot faster than you actually perceive. So watching your screen recordings will help you a lot in that. Market is going fucking crazy. Iran has officially cut off direct diplomacy with the U.S. Breaking news. Happy to help there, QS Barbell. Happy to help. You'll be shocked at watching your own screen recordings. Just make sure you cut those screen recordings and do not record your webcam when you move on over to Horn Pub. That's not something you want to rewatch, especially at 0.25x speed. Is it better to follow you on Kick or YouTube? I know you're pitting one against the other against when you're doing the draws last night. Well, on Kick, you get free accounts just for watching. There's no ads on Kick. There's lower latency. And you actually get a free subscription to my OnlyFeed. Kick.com/rips. It is a great place to watch. Some people don't like the ads on YouTube, but some people don't mind the convenience of being able to watch on your TV on YouTube. It's a mixed bag, really. Hey, Rips, how do you toggle between taking contracts on and off so quickly or using your keys? So I use what's called a Stream Deck, but I traded all last year on TradingView. I didn't think I was going to stay on TradingView. I've become accustomed to clicking buttons very quickly on TradingView. I traded a cash account from $100,000 to $3 million. It's a fact. You can go and watch every single trade that I took in my YouTube trading archive, which is available for free at any moment you'd like to watch it. Some of the biggest trades you'll ever see in the futures market by any influencer out there in a real cash account. But I traded on TradingView for the very first time really seriously last year, and I've continued to do it ever since, including into this year in my cash accounts. So, beautiful thing. What do you recommend a guy like us that don't have that little box? You can just click. So one of the cool things about TradeC is it has this really cool mode called scalping. You can see this right here. Join bid, join ask, buy, sell. You just have to have muscle memory of how far away the mouse clicks are away. Also, I do have a very fancy pants mouse right here. This is a Razer Viper Mini Signature Pro. It's extremely light. Kind of feels like the weight of Carlos's brain. Very light, very empty. A husk of anything intelligent. And yeah, so that's what I use. You can use the scalping mode. You can use the buttons over here to the right-hand side, which you can't really see. But there you have it. Can I buy you one? Absolutely. Would be happy to. Ribs, tell them to log into both channels and mute one. Hey, that helps too. Yeah, if you want to log into both YouTube and Kick, it does help the viewership quite a bit. Log into both and mute one of them. or leave them both playing at once and have some kind of weird echo delay from hell. Thanks, Ribs. You're awesome, brother. You know our neighbors live in Red Rock. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love that. Red Rock is beautiful. I think I'm going to take the whipski out there pretty soon. Cruise through the Red Rocks. Get a little wind in my sails, if you know what I mean. Top step 150K versus funded seat 1 step 150K. You know what my vote is, D-Cross. Come on down, party town. Car Club meetup every Monday night at Clubhouse. At the Red Rock Clubhouse? Holy shit. Let's go. Well, Monday nights are tough for me because I got to stream Globex on Monday nights. We are rolling over a little bit here. 6,600 still looking to trade here in the S&Ps. We are heavily above it. Again, the headlines that are developing are about Iran cutting off diplomacy with the U.S. permanently. And by permanently, they mean temporarily for the next few weeks, if that. You wonder how TradeC makes money. They charge a licensing fee for the prop firms per account. Same way that TradeAbate makes their money. They charge a licensing fee. So when you buy an account on TPT, part of that fee goes to pay for TradeAbate's licensing fee because they're a bunch of greedy pieces of shit. Ooh, some more chip tunes. Don't mind if I do. All right, let's refresh here. Let's see if our Lucid accounts are ready. There they go. Lucid accounts are ready. Lucid accounts are ready. There we go. Boom, boom, ba-doom, ba-doom, boom. And copy trader is set. By the way, you can never fuck up the copy trading in TradeC. It's fucking brilliant, baby. There we go. We're back in action in our Lucid Pro accounts. These are funded now. Activation same day and instant. And free. No activation fees. So 40% consistency. My profit target on these Lucid Pros is what? Wait, they lowered the profit target to $1,000? What the fuck? What's the max payout you can take of these bad doggers? Isn't it 3K? What's the max payout in 150K Lucid Pros? I'm going to go to the FAQ. Let's see. Lucid Pro payouts. The maximum is 3,000. So the most I can make in a single session is $1,200 per account. Works out to be 6,000. So that's what we're looking to do here. Will I trade this though? Fuck no, I'm not a retard. Well, maybe I am, but yeah, I'm not gonna trade this shit. This is sideways nonsense. No, thank you. Scroll back a little bit, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Nope, 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 nope. It's 3K at 40% consistency. Don't make more than 3.1K. How do we do that? $1,200 profit. $1,200 profit, baby. Now you can overshoot the moon, but why? Can you please get a plane ticket to the Strait of Hormuzzi or Hormuzzi and ask them not to fight anymore? Sure. They call me the king of diplomacy. That's what I'm here for. All right, it's time to do a channel points gamble. We're going to do gambling $650 today on stake. Let's see. Let's say 11 slots on the hunt today. Jesus. How low do we have to go here? Can you pass the funded seat step in 1 day? The one step, no, those are 2 days to pass. It's 51% consistency. Hey, Ribs, any add-ons you would suggest that are worth a subscription on Bookmap? Some of them look neat. Nope, I'm not going to try to push you to spend more money. Trading is expensive enough. Everything you see on my screen can be achieved with just the base global, Bookmap Global, and a single data provider. So I would say no. Can we get over 11 slots on the hunt today? Let's find out. Steak has been really roasting my chestnuts lately, I'll tell you what. We are rolling here. 6,600 still hasn't traded. How much latency is there with your YouTube stream? I can't say. Just depends on where you are in the world. Some YouTube servers have shit connections. One good thing that you can do is open up YouTube and Kick at the same time and see which one gives you the better latency and stick with that stream, or leave them both open to inflate my views. Either way. Planning to get your own gas station? What, the Strait of Hormuz? Maybe pick something up. Very cheap. 6,600 trying to trade here to the downside. Some front running going into these 60s here. Had both open and YouTube is faster. There you go, Corn Hubs. There you go. You figured it out. Love that. A very, very tricky market here. Auctioning back up to those 80s. Finding some bids below. 6,600 was basically tagged. Nice squeeze above 6,600 now. Looking for potentially 6,609 to trade. Some sellers still on the tape here. I'm going to actually take this short because I believe that rejection at 6,609 was something to behold here. So we're going to take this short, looking for this to hold below 6,609. Adding into this short below the 80s now. Let's see if we get this auctioning below 75 here. Looking for 75s to trade out. Beautiful roll into these 70s. Let's see if we can get that snap and roll right down below those 70s now. Oh no, economic relationship with China is stable from Greer. We want to take this thing short though. Give me some bad news. How about some horrible news? Can you find some horrible news, market? Looking for this to stay weak below 66.06 right now. Wanting to see this auction back below 75 here. Oh my God, what a crazy bounce there. Massive, massive bounce. Wanting to see this still auction below those 70s. What an insane market we're seeing. Can we see that motion below 68? Can you find me the motion? You fucking can, can't you, you dirty little bitch? $1,500 in our funded accounts. We made a little bit too much mustard on that hot dog there. That's in our Lucid Pro funded accounts, ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls, it's hot stuff tonight. Asade. Fat Elvis says down 1,500, now up over 700. Just listening to you, Rips. You make my party get started. You make my dick get hard. I love to hear it. Asade. I love your name, by the way. Oh my God, it's a fucking tweet. Look out. Fuck. Thank God we're not in that. Fucking Trump just squeezing your balls, putting them in a vice grip, twisting them gently. Grab his dick and twist it. Kuwait says 17 drones have invaded their airspace in the last 12 hours. Tell you, that's definitely a good spike in the market there. Hey, more things is blowing up. Let's send it higher. Let's blow up the market. Fuck, people are short. Fuck those people. Fuck those people if they're short. Just kidding. Send it back down. Fuck you. Market really taking no prisoners today. Ripsy reversal working in full effect again. If we all know that's what we really know what happened, the Ripsy reversal is what made the market go straight back up. Okay, what do I do here to get this fucking bullshit back down? Let's do MES, shall we? MES, let's get our fucking trades back below. What is the goal here? $1,200? Oh, God. Let's see. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. I guess we could do more. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Boink, boink. Try this. Trying to get my profit back down here. There we go. 1292. Okay. 82. 23. 12. 01. That works for me. Let's do a little bit more here. Bang, there we go, 1197. We're in there, baby. No, the goal is $3,000. $3,000 with a 40% consistency is $1,200. So we're back in there like swimwear, baby. Bing bong biggity. No, you're wrong 100%. What? Huh? You said what now? Huh? Huh? You said what? Huh? It's a 40% consistency rule, my friend. I don't know. Did we just do the wrong thing? I don't fucking know. Dude, I trade enough prop firms, I don't fucking remember any of this shit. What did I fuck up? Did I fuck it up? Your largest single day profit must be no more than 40% of your total profit during the payout cycle. 40% is 6K to take a 3K payout of 50%. No. Yeah, whatever. It's fine. Whatever. You can always trade more. Maximum payout that I can request is $3,000. It says $3,000. Oh, you might be right. Hold on. 7,600. Holy shit. You might be right. So it's 7,600. Oh, shit. So, yeah, $3,040. Whoopsie. Yeah, we just gave back some profit for nothing. I forgot there's a safety net on these things. You're right. You're right. You're right. Good comms. Good comms. Good comms. Good fucking comms. Good comms. Good comms. My bad. My bad. Good comms. I forgot there's a $4,600 buffer balance. My bad. It's all good. Thank God we can trade. Good comms, though. Good comms. Good comms. Good comms. Good comms looking out for me like that. Good comms, baby. Well, that changes the game. I would have fucking gone for mower. I would have gone for mower. Good fucking comms, baby. It's good fucking comms, baby. Yeah, we are sending it lower here. That Kuwaiti shit was insane, huh? Back to 6,600 now. We do have to break below these 60s for this to count. Buffer sucks. Wait. Lucid doesn't have it. No, Lucid has it. Am I fucking... Dude, what do you mean they don't have it? Yes, they do. Watching 65.95 now. Yeah, they have a buffer. So the most I can make is 3,000 per account. $3,000 per account here, buddy. They are continuing to send this lower. I'm going to try this short again, looking for this bounce below 60. I want to see 95 start to trade out as well. 95 in the S&Ps. So I'm looking for this to make some new lows below 50 here and add into those lows. Let's see if we can get this nailed here. Watching for this flush below 50. Watching for that beautiful flush below 50s. They're holding, they're holding, they're holding. And connection. Beautiful, beautiful move. Let's get those. Oh, you guys got to trade into that 23 contract player. Come on, guys. What you doing down there? They're chasing it up. 24 contracts. We should. Yep, there they go. They painted into it. Watching for this to roll back below these 50s now. 95 really wants to trade here. Watching for this to trade back below those 50s. 95 technically really wants to trade in the S&Ps here. They're chasing these up with some crazy bids, but I think that we can slice through these things. Watching here on the roll back below these 55s now. Should be able to hold this. No! Not like this. Good Lord. They squoze that right above in the 70s. Jesus Christ, I could have sworn I blinked my eyes. We're at 55 for a second. What the fuck? What the fuck? I blinked my eyes. We're at 55. We traded all the way to 70. What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Damn it. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. Way too fucking zoomed in there. Jesus Christ. That was insane. I was not expecting that at all. I literally blinked my eyes. We fucking blinked from 60 to 75. That was insane. That was insane. Yeah, we're going to go right back down now. Right back, straight back down. All right, we are back at 6,600 here. We rejected at the 1 hour mid again. That was insane. So right back to these 60s. We're right below 6,600. I would like to see if we can auction back below those 60s and then trade into those 50s again. So watching here for that pressure at 60s to kind of give up. Watching here underneath 70s. Looking for that pressure right below the 60s now. We should be able to send this. And they're dancing it right around those 60s. Not really sure how I feel about that dancing. Okay, we're still auctioning into these bids, which means that we still have sellers on the tape, but they're just running out of steam right here at these 60s. There we go. There's that flush I was looking for. See if we can get this back down below these 60s to hold that juice into those 50s now. I want to see this auctioning right below 55 again. There's a big trade right down below that area that I'd like to target. Watching here. Can we just get it without the bounce, please? Why is it frozen? Why is my P&L not moving at all? What the fuck is happening? Why is my P&L not moving at all? What the fuck is happening? No fucking way. Why is my P&L not moving at all? Okay, sweet. I have no idea what the fuck happened there. My P&L was not fucking moving. Oh, it's Trade-Evate. My bad. Didn't realize we're trading on a fucking subpar platform here. The fuck? God damn it, Trade-Evate. Fuck you, dude. Had a great trade there, too. My P&L stopped moving completely. Fucking stupid. Oh, God. Trade-Evate is... Dude, I just wanted to be in that short, man. Fucking A. I couldn't see my P&L moving at all. So terrible. What a shit platform this is. Okay, we are back in short. My P&L is moving. That's good. Imagine if we had our short still back from 60 right now. Fucking beautiful. Okay, we need to reject back underneath these 50s again in a jiffy. Right now we're holding that straight back up to the 60s. Watching for this to paint back below these 50s again. And we should be able to get this pitch and catch back below these 50s. Watching here at these 50s. Should be able to get that motion. Watching here. Want to see that buried below the 50s now. They're holding at these 50s. I don't like the hold. Do not like that hold. Taking that off. They held too long at those 50s there. I don't trust it. Volume is subsiding quite a bit here. We do have room about 50 points lower, but I'd like to see one more pop before we get down. Ranging at 55 now. Yeah, that was the pop we should have taken. Back at 95 here off these lows. See if they're going to hold this 95 push. Right now, they're just feathering out here. Yeah, there's the roll I was looking for. Meh. You motherfucker. God, and we were short from 60s. All right, let's see here on this pop back up. Big exchange there at 95. Potential blowout coming here at 55 now. Nice move. What happened to my music? The fuck is going on here? Hold on. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Okay, and there we go. Nope, don't want that at all. There we go. We are dancing. We exchanged back at 60s. Holding this liquidity at 50s currently. Yeah, fucking A. God damn it, dude. Fuck. Could not get that entry. Fucking A, dude. Fuck you, Trade of 8, you piece of shit. Okay, back in short here. Nice. Looking for 9s to trade. Back to that 9 level here. 233 contracts are held right there. We just busted them. Let's see if we can get a reflex back here to maybe 30 and add into it. That was a big exchange down there at that 9 level. Watching here for the flush below. If we can get it, there are some contracts waiting below at 65, 85 in the S&Ps. They're currently holding. I'm going to cover that. Back at the 20s. Trading back at these 9s again. Let's see if 90 wants to trade in the S&Ps first. Nope, they're not taking it. They're not taking those 90s first, so I'm going to take that for the break below. Oh my God, come on, Bookmap. Taking that for the break below 24,000. What the fuck is going on with TradingView or Trade of 8 or whatever the fuck this shit platform is called? Thank you very much. We'll take that off. Jesus, fuck you, Trade of 8. You guys see this shit? Like I'm not making this shit up. Did you see this shit spurging the fuck out? How the fuck are you supposed to trade on this piece of shit platform, dude? What the fuck? They do everything they can to fuck you. God, did you see that shit? Did you see that shit? It literally, like, my screen went black while I'm in a fucking trade, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. The fuck is this piece of shit platform? What a fucking scam it is. Thank God we're fucking green. So that's $3,700 in alpha. I mean, you guys see this. I'm not making. I can't press a button that flashes my screen and turns off my fucking trades. Go back and watch the replay. Somebody clip that shit. Jesus Christ. Trade evades, dude. Scam evade. Fucking garbage, bro. It's like you can't even fucking get it. Like, that was like the best fucking pull down of the session, and I can't like add into it or anything because the screen's fucking black. Jesus, fuck me Christ. Yeah, Trade C is incredible. Except for the fact when you do that and fucking thing goes right in your fucking face. Ah, God. That one fucking... Dude, this final pull-up is what fucked me on the fucking Lucid accounts. This, like, we were net short, and I fucking layered into that, and we got one pop, and that took us out. I'm guessing that was the top tick, right? Let's see. Oh, yeah, exactly right. Perfect. It popped me out the exact top tick. Look at this. That's where we got stopped out. The exact top tick before it went lower. Fucking awesome. God bless you. Oh, you market makers, you pieces of shit. Stopped us out the exact top tick. Fucking hilarious. Oh, well. What are you gonna do? What broker are you using for a cash account? AMP and Edge Clear. Edge Clear introduces you to another broker. They're an IB. I don't even know what to do, man. I want to trade my fucking accounts, but it's like I can't. 85s are trading now too. Fucking A, dude. Like, I want to trade my accounts, but you fucking can't, dude. God, what a beautiful roll that tapped to that 85 level we're talking about. Fucking A. Watching here on that push up. Trade rep Greer talking right now. Yeah, they're holding this thing lower, below the 90s now. I'm back in short, 2 contracts. Looking for this to sweep below 75 now. Want to see this nice sweep below 75. They are bulling some orders here at 82. Shouldn't be an issue though. Watching. Want to see this weak below 24,000. Just want to see that weakness below. See if we can trade out here. A little bit lower below those 80s and add into that. Watching here, they have 80 to trade in the S&Ps as well. Watching here for the 80 slice down in the NASDAQ. Watching right here, they should roll this immediately from this area at these 80s. They're trying to push into it. Here they come. Watching for the 80 snap. Algos are repositioning here. They might take one little breather before they send it. There's your 80s. Watching for the 80 pull and snap. They might try this a few times before it rolls. Here's your 80 pull. Watching for the connection below those 80s. Here it comes. And watching for that 75 pull now. New low of day. Show me the connection. Show me fucking potato salad. Stop being so stupid about it. Talking about negotiations continuing through July 1st. Not really sure what the fuck's that's about. Watch for this 80 pull again. How many times are they going to try this before it fucking works? There you go. Thank you. God damn it. 75's traded. Beautiful pull. Beautiful pull. Up $4,200 in each one of our alpha funded accounts. Remember, there is no consistency rule on these accounts. You can trade them like a real cash account. That means that we have generated a total of... God, do the fucking math. Jesus Christ. $12,750 today in our alpha funded accounts. $12,750 in our alpha funded accounts. Yeah, they're really showing that pressure underneath the 80s now. These motherfuckers love to fucking have continuation right when we fucking evacuate our position. We did just hit the previous day low, take that out very, very heavily. We're about 10 points higher from when we're going to see a bounce at 50s here. Should coincide with a bounce at 75 in the S&Ps. I just want to trade big numbers and go fast. That's the name of my ball game here. Trade big numbers and go fast. We're now 5 handles away, 5 handles away. Watching for this pressure. Thank you, Ripspot. Not concentrating on a trade or anything. Thank you so much. Really appreciate the bling right in my fucking face that covers my book map. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much for that, Ripspot. You're the best. You are the greatest covering my book map with your DM there. Fucking love you so much. It's not like I'm in a fucking trade and fucking goddamn it. Jesus fucking Christ. You ever watch the goddamn stream? Fucking hell. How do you do it every fucking time I'm about to fucking press the goddamn button? Jesus fucking Christ. It's unfucking believable. Asking me about some fucking bullshit question about in chat. Jesus fucking Christ. It's like, shut the fuck up, please. Good Lord. Just missed that slice through fucking 50s. God damn it. The fuck are you doing, Ripsmod? Should be up $1 trillion today. Just show me one more fucking bounce into these 60s, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, back in short here. Rejecting 60s. One contract. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Still holding that rejection point. Watching here if we hold it right at 65 as we should. Adding into this right now, looking for 65s to trade out. Nice pull, looking for 60s to dive. Watching 60s here, looking for a 60 dive into the 55 level and give me that fucking connection right below. Good Lord, why do you do this every fucking time when we just need that simple fucking connection into 5 handles lower, you piece of shit? Good fucking God, I hate you. Show me 55s on the ticket. On the ticket, please. There you go. Fucking send it. Right into it. Yes. Finally, you dirty piece of shit. Fuck you. I'm taking it off. 55's connected. All right, Ripsmod, let's see what the DM is that covered my bookmap screen. Let's see. Ripsmod says, can you see if Funded Lucid, or Alpha have video testimonials? How about no? Fuck off. Jesus. Fuck off. What the fuck is that important for? We're fucking trading. Love you, Ripsmod. Love you, Ripsmod. Why not just hold from the top of your first position? Why not get a fucking time machine, go back in time, and tell your fucking father to pull out, you dumb piece of shit? Anger and rage just rips slow. It certainly is, as it is. Yeah, we got smoked on our Lucid account, unfortunately. It was a bad fucking trade. We got top ticked out at 80s. We had room to the 70s, and I fucking blinked my eyes. It went from 60 to 80 in like a jiffy and stopped us out top tick, and then it went in our direction. So. That's got on Venom. No, the Lucid did not get blown. It's a daily loss limit, isn't it? Yeah, it's daily loss limit. Wait, hold on. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure it's daily loss limit. Yeah, it's done for the day. It's daily loss limit. They're not blown. They're done for the day. I passed them in one fucking day. I could do it again. Jesus Christ. Yeah, daily loss limit. So we are currently up, what is this, 46.26. We're currently up $13,878 in our alpha funded accounts. I only need 4 days of $200 more to withdraw a fat fucking withdrawal from these things. Dude, I have so much fucking drawdown in these accounts too. What a fucking squeeze straight to 24,000 here. So definitely squeezing a lot of those early shorts from 24,000. Overhead supply coming in at 92 halves. They're ripping it. I'm going to try a little bit of a fucking scalp up towards the sky here. I want to see this continuation above 24,000 now. They are starting to push this thing heavily. I want to see these bids starting to hold here. See if we can get this fucking yammering to the north side here. That's fucking $5,000 per account there. 15,000 on the day. Let's go. They're really squeezing this thing. Watching 24,009 right now. Yeah, they're fucking squeezing the shit out of these players. Big reversal from Nvidia. Big reversal from Microsoft. Still seeing a lot of bids coming in underneath. I want to see one fat fucking bid below us. One fat fucking bid would send this fucking higher. See if it qualifies here. Need to see one big old bid. Nope, they're not finding it. Still not finding it. There's your big bid. Taking this long into that big bid here. Taking that long and strong, baby. Let's see us break out of these 15s now. Long and strong. Oh God, bookmap, don't fucking freeze on me, you piece of shit. Looking for a 15 blowout here. They're going sideways though. I don't like that. We should have a nice little cap above 15s here. Little pop, little and a pff. See that little pop above 15s? Let's see it. Watching for that pop back above. Back into these 5s. Adding into this for that exchange back above the 10s now. We should be able to see that popping very quickly here. Holding at 24,000 now. They're dunking it below 24,000. Those pieces of shit. They're really chasing this. We should be able to get a squeeze, though, back above 24,000 here. They're still bidding. They're still bidding. A lot of overhead supply coming in, but they're still bidding it. They're still bidding it. I still like the bids. Can we get that continuation over 24,000 now? Looking for that continuation back above 24,000. We should be able to have that little pop through that continuation here. Right here, right there. Just fucking do it one time. Somebody's fucking calling me right now, too. God damn it. Come on, just get it through the fucking 24,000 level, you piece of shit. Just send it home. Send it home. There you go. A little bit of mustard on that fucking hot dog. I dare you. Dude, why do we always get this fucking bullshit that's sideways, God damn it? Fucking hell, just send it home. Send it to your fucking home. Jesus Christ, it's right there. Good Lord, it's right fucking there, you dumb pieces of shit. Literally right there. Literally right there. They're holding bids. They're still holding bids. They're still holding bids. Watching 24,000. They're so fucking scared to pop it up and over 24,000, which makes me think they're going to rip the fucking doors off straight to 10s. It's right there. It's fucking right there, boys. It's right there, boys. Fucking do it. Holy fuck, where's the volume? How? Every fucking time that we get involved in this market, the volume just fucking subsides. Go, send it, send it, send it. There it is. Fuck you. Now they fucking, Jesus Christ. How many fucking hours did we have to wait for that fucking squeeze? Unbelievable. All right, who the fuck called me? What do you want? Fuck do you want? Oh, potential spam. Jesus Christ. Like, what the fuck is this involvement in the market? How do we always get this bullshit? Fuck you. God, I hate the fucking consolidation bullshit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you and the goddamn horse you rode in on, you piece of shit. Fuck you, pal. Fuck you. Can see it coming a fucking mile away, you pieces of shit. Diplomacy has not been closed, according to Iran state media now. Diplomacy is still on the table. Sure, guys. Fuck you for fucking getting us out of that goddamn trade. Why don't you just do it when we're in it? Would have been up $1.5 trillion fucking dollars. I can see the moves coming, but they love to give me the sideways dickhead first. Fuck you guys. How many times has this happened today? We're fucking primed and ready in the exact fucking move that's coming, and these little sons of bitches won't give it to us. Boom, 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 boom. Bum ba dum bum ba dum ba dum bum 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 bum. These little bastards. All right, we're short taking this below the 30s now. Looking for shorts below the 30s. See if we stay weak underneath 45 here. Watching for this weakness persist below 45. Watching. Need that weakness below 45 here. perfect. How about a fucking candle straight to my goddamn face? We'll take that too. Love it. Son of a bitch. They squeezed just above 92 here. Seeing how far back they're pulling this. Yeah, there it goes. Fuck you, market! Fuck you! Good times, good times. Good times. All right, once again, looking for the exact same fucking trade. Let's see if we can find it this time without the market giving us fucking AIDS. Can we find it? Survey says, fuck you. Okay, cool. We'll dodge it real quick this time. No problem. We'll dodge that shit real quick this time. Beautiful consolidation. I goddamn love it. It's so nice. It's fucking lovely. I love this consolidation. It's so much fun. Looking for weakness here below 60. If they have it. There's a below off top potential back here at 92 again. Same fucking lifting offer situation here at 92. Yep, they're not doing it again. Hey, nice book map. Thank you for the freeze. Love that. Yeah, they look like they want to lift these offers at 92 all of a sudden. Yeah, they're going for that lift at 92. See if we can follow this program here for that lift of 92 and then that blowout of 55, subsequent blowout of 55 here. I don't mind holding this thing for a little bit longer. Should be able to get that lift of 92 and that pop into 55. Watching here. They're starting to scatter those offers a little bit. Back at that 92 area. 92 is that line in the sand where we could have some offers being lifted. Okay, watching here. They're still pushing up into these offers and they're lifting these offers slightly here. I want to see if we can get this back above 45 now with a jiffy. Quick little pop back above 45 in that continuation that we're looking for. Let's see. Or we get the original trade idea, which is the break of 35s, but no. Watching here at 40s again. Watching here at 40s. Big rejection below 30. Watching here at 40s. We should trade into those 45s pretty quickly here. Watching here. Lifting, lifting, lifting. They have a 90 bid or a 90 offer, 90 offer, 90 offer. We should rip those doors off. There it is. Great fucking connection. Good fucking comms. Let's go, Mr. Market. Suck my dick on the way out, please. I just want 55. Is it so much for me to ask for a little bit of motion up to 55? Is it that big of a fucking deal that you send it to 55, you dumb bitch? Good Lord, the one time we hold for a little bit of fucking motion, you fucking reject in my goddamn face, you piece of shit. Market, suck my dick. Okay, we're back in here. Holding for that pushback above 40s now. Let's see that connection a little bit higher. We should see that squeeze. Those fucking shorts should get fucking boned. Let's see it happen here. Looking for that motion up above 45 and fucking do it. Good Christ. Thank you, you fucking piece of shit. Market, suck my dick on the way out, you dumb bitch. Trading is relaxing. If you ever wanted to get into trading, I attune it pretty much to meditation. It really brings the blood pressure down when you trade. At no time or place is my blood pressure going above maybe 100 beats per minute. I keep it calm when I trade. All right, back to where we were before we got on. Why did it bleep that? Okay. This music is very suspenseful. Hello, I'm the market. What is that behind you? It's the market, pulling down its pants, whipping out its schlong, buttering it up with I can't believe it's not butter. The market pushing on your back, bending you over. What is it doing? Oh my God, no, market, don't! Don't f me! All right, I've had enough of this market, I tell you what. It's had its way with me. I've had just about enough. I think I've made nearly $15,000 today in a funded account, and I'm spent. No, it's I can't believe it's not butter, no salt added. Don't worry, there's no crumbs left behind. No little crumblets left behind, don't worry. They almost fucked me again. You see that? Those market makers are something else. That's what they did. Yeah. We use Johnson & Johnson's baby oil. Salt added. Stranger Things. Our characters started the season completely heterosexual. By season 8, everybody's gay. Stranger Things. Everybody's gay. Just when you think it couldn't happen, the police officer with the mustache is giving the kids mustache rides. Stranger Things. Now available on Netflix. Oh, God. It's not going to break the 55s because we all want it to so bad. The moment that I trade my trading platform, I close my trading platform, it'll send it right through the 55s. Don't worry. You're still trading. Welcome back to the party. All right. I think that's it for me for trading, folks. It's been 3 hours and 25 minutes of trading. That's going to be it for me. I'm locking it up here. What did we do today? What else did we trade? I got my Apex accounts. Oh, TPT. Fuck. Here. You know what? This is what I'm going to do in my TPTs. Give me a second. What? That's the wrong button. Trade of 8! Fuck! Trade of 8! Why did you turn off my lights? God damn it. God damn it, trade of 8. Fucking trade of 8, god damn it. Son of a bitch, it has controls into my room and my lights. They're watching me on my webcam. Fuck! Those sons of bitches. Hold on, I gotta do this real quick on my TPT accounts. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment! Give me a moment! Give me, what? Fucking, it's the copy group is not selected. Shocker! Fucking Christ. God damn it. Son of a bitch. Copy group not selected. Welcome to Trade of 8. Oh, you wanted to copy, did you? Wouldn't it be a shame if we accidentally unselected your copy group? These prop firm traders are so easy to fuck. All right, here we go, Trade of 8. On TPT, and we'll take that. There we go, done. There's a trading day booked for Trade of TPT. There we go. Bang, we did it. All done. Okay. All right, for real, I'm done trading. I've had enough. Brought to you by Celsius. Okay. Everybody on YouTube, that's it for my show on YouTube today. I'm going to continue streaming over on Kick. We're going to be degenerates and gamble on stake.us right now. Thanks for tuning in, YouTubers. I'll be back tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm only going to be streaming for an hour. I got Rozzy's birthday tonight that I have to attend. So, thanks for tuning in today. Lots of energy, lots of fun. Double mint gum. Let's go. I'll see you folks tonight. Take care. See you. Bye.